Hey, welcome to my channel, guys. These videos are all going to be focused on level 2 tape reading using Warrior Trading's momentum-based strategies. Ross likes to keep level 2 a secret, but I don't, so support my channel with a like or a sub. It shows me, guys, that you like this content and want more. Also join my Discord. I'm going to be eventually live streaming every single day and then also offering my Q&As for anybody who has some newbie questions. So check it out. Thanks. Hello. This is another video. I didn't post a video yesterday because I didn't take a trade. The move on PEV happened late in the afternoon and I was not around for that. I was at work. So here we go. This morning PEV, it was doing nothing and then made a nice little move. I sat back down in this area right where I'm beginning this video, and let's bring out the drawing tool. So just a quick identification of where we're at on this momentum move upwards. We just had a fresh 5-minute breakout that held, like, it didn't do a false break, like a nice strong 5-minute breakout there. But you can clearly see on the 1-minute chart you have this level at 750, and what it does is it comes up to 750, it finally stalls out, and it goes to reload for that break of 750, right? So this is a clean technical breakout here, and it breaks above 750, and now we have this support level at 750. I'm assuming we consolidated and then pulled away a little bit, and now we're retracing that move back to 750, and we're looking to find a place for it to hold above 750 so we can continue this 5-minute green candle, because we're going to get a bit of a wick topping tail, but we're so early into this 5-minute candle we can regain this base of the candle and continue higher. So simple momentum based setup, everything's in alignment, good looking trade. So this is about when I sat down. I'm watching here. At this point, you can clearly see on the 1-minute chart, looks a little indecisive. So at this point, I'm going to give it some time to pull back and see if it wants to hold above 750. Let's skip forward. So at this point, I'm not worried about taking a trade because that failed move straight up to $8. That tells me it's already slowing down. So I don't want to try taking a 5-cent trade here. I'm just going to wait for a bit of a better opportunity. So now we're into this new 1-minute candle, but as you see, we're only 10 seconds in. So it's too early to be taking a trade. So we pull back here to 756. First pullback goes on to 756, 755. We're still pulling back. It looks like 55 broke there, but 54 held, and then it replenished above 755. 755 is again an area of interest, and then 55 double bottoms here, and you can click buy there at 58. So I was a little late to what I should be reading on the chart. Even though I saw a red there, it was a-okay. That happens sometimes. But if you go back to the point of entry, which was right there at 58, we see a little bit of red. We retest under 55. But then we're right back above it. And it's going to hold and start taking away. So you can add there later, alternatively. I got filled at 64 there, pretty unfortunate. And then I'm taking profit over the top of this height of the wick. So what we saw in this 1-minute candle is a double bottom around 755, and that gave me the confidence to click buy there with the stop out under 70 or 750. So about a 5-cent stop out or 8-cent stop out if I would have got in at 758. And then your profit target is over the high of this wick. So if I go back, your profit target is over the high of day right here, whatever that price point is, 769. All right, so after break 769, we have another trade. So here's breaks, pulls back to 766. So fresh break, pull back to 766. Now we're pushing back up. Can we pull back and get a double bottom? Watching, adding a 70. So we'll play it back again. Pay attention to how 66 holds up after we break. So we just break there, we pull back to 66. Up to 70. Do we get another pullback? we're not pulling back, click buy. So you got to identify the ups and the downs, and you're looking for the second pullback, or the after you're looking for like a quick up, a quick down, but you want this second down to be at least the same price or a little higher, and then that's when you look for that continuation on these fresh breakouts. And then I go to take profit up here at 80 something. Oh, forgive me, I already took profit. Wow, that's questionable, but whatever. You can be a little later in clicking sell there. I felt like it was too overextended to look for the move up to 8, so I was just locking up profits. Alternatively, the profit target is over 8, but just not. I wasn't sold on this. It's a continuation move. It wasn't a fresh breakout from news, so I wasn't too excited about the trade, but I wanted to lock up some pennies. All right, thanks for watching. Okay, into the open. I was keeping an eye on this 5-minute chart here, because you should be able to see that we have a bit of a cup. If I even make this, clear, a bit of a cup and handle formation, more specifically cup and then handle like that. So I felt like this was a decent formation to look for this break of $8. So this trade, I'm going to be a little less confident in telling you guys how to trade this perfectly. It just looked like I've seen it before, so I'm not going to act like this is like the only time I want to make a video is if I know exactly what I'm talking about and I know how to stop out. I know all the rules applying to the trade, but if I don't, I'm going to be a little more hesitant to just give an answer. But what I see here is we just bottomed at 70, and now can we get another bottom around 70? We can, adding at 74, so I should be clicking buy. Yeah, there it is, 74, click buy. And if you look at the 1-minute chart, we have this spinning top here. It pulled into the open. We were pulling back, popped up a little bit, pulled back to VWAP, spiked up to the resistance level, came back down, tested the low, and now we're looking for that curl, that slow curl back up to $8, and looking for that break for this cup and handle formation. So we're just testing these levels, and I felt like it had just confirmed the second part of the cup. It tested the bottom the handle, the bottom of the handle right here. This is where I view the bottom of the handle, so it would be up here. Comes down, tests the bottom of the handle, and now I'm looking for that slow curl and that breakthrough rate. But yeah, double bottom around 770. I felt like we were just gonna start pulling away after we get a little bit of that reversal indicator. This is a bit of a spinning top. So we had a spinning top that was a little bearish, but then we spinning topped after it looked like it was going to fall over. So that was bullish. So this candle created a bullish sentiment in my mind. So I looked for a double bottom at 770. And it never breaks 770 again. I'll save you that guys the time. So it breaks 8, and I take half off the table, and then I take a trade on my big boy account. So here's another $1.50 setup. Sorry. There we go. So I take half off the table as it breaks 8, and now I'm watching on my big account, can it hold 8? Back to 8. Big seller there. You can almost add there at 806, but the seller blocked it. And then I clicked buy there as it held. Let's play it back. So we're back under 8. We're above 8. Can we pull back to 8? Can we hold 8 on the pullback? 8 replenished. Green on the tape. Click buy. And I clicked the freaking button. I hate that. Sorry. God dang it. That is so annoying. God dang it. I'm going to lose my fucking mind. I hate this shit. Sorry for cursing. I hate that. I hate that so much. Only way I can do it though is record 2 screens at the same time, and then I accidentally click like that all the time. So we break over 8. Let's watch how it handles $8. So it breaks over 8, we pull back under 8. Back over 8, can we pull back to 8 and hold? Falls under, replenishes, green on the tape, click buy. So I should have been clicking buy at 806, but I got filled at 810, and now we're looking for the pop up to this 825 level, and I've sold before that. So I could have alternatively held for the break of this 825 level, which was this high up here, and I chose to just take profit early like I did with all my other trades. So I take one more trade today, and I guess I'll show you guys the loss. It's a 9-cent loser, but I was stuck to my rules, but I'm a little worried that I played it incorrectly, which is why I'm more hesitant to show you guys, but I don't want to act like I only took winners today. I took 3 winners, 1 loser. So right here we have a bit of we had a situation where it looked like it was about to fall over in the 5-minute chart. It reversed, and now we're breaking over this high of day here at 840. So it breaks 840 right here, and I'm thinking, can it hold back a higher low? I should be clicking buy maybe a little earlier, like right there, 47. Maybe I would have clicked buy. So this is just a micro pullback. Pay attention. We break 840 right here, 843. Now can we pull back with a higher low? And I'm assuming a higher low is anything above 35. I didn't even have to see the low before. As long as it holds like close to the highs on the bid, and then we get green on the tape, then I'm clicking buy. So it held high, green, bid stacks there at 37. Maybe that's when I could have clicked buy at 841, but looked like it would be hard to get filled there. And then first pullback, where does it go to? 43. 43 is now our stop out zone. We reload for the next test of 50. Got a big seller wall here, and it breaks 43. I click sell at 42, get filled at 40, and it snaps through that low. So a bit of a loss. It chopped me out a little bit. The thing that I'm worried about was showing you guys a trade like this. Even the one before, just not all the way confident in it, because this 840 level is support at some level. So I'm not sure about what formation I should have been looking for after this fails to hold that 45-cent or 43-cent stop out area. So this could potentially be something I adjust in the future, and I haven't fully deciphered when it comes to trading like warrior trading. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video though. It stops after I stop out here, it retests 50 one more time, and then does a huge crash and halt downwards. So it was showing weakness. I think my trade was fine. Maybe my stop out was questionable, but it wasn't a bad trade. Upsetting that I took the loss on it though. Alright, thanks for watching.